Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the bat closely. Look for hairline cracks or soft spots and decide if repair is needed. Once done, wipe the blade with a dry cloth to remove dust so oil adheres. Apply 1-2 drops of bat oil along the grain, slow, controlled strokes, then rub evenly with a soft cloth. Make sure to oil edges lightly too. This prevents moisture uptake and reduces future cracking. This first sequence stabilizes the timber and primes it for pressing or knocking in. Now you move to pressing and knocking in. This is where the bat gains resilience. Use a bat mallet or press. Begin with low-force sessions of 10-15 minutes to seat fibers, then gradually increase impact. Between sessions, sand lightly with 80-120 grit to remove raised grain and reapply a tiny oil film if needed. Make sure to focus on the sweet spot and edges, but avoid overhitting the toe. This controlled progression compacts the fibers and improves durability without compromising pickup. Finish by fitting a new grip and sealing the toe with a small bead of protective compound to prevent moisture ingress. Once fitted, store the bat vertically in a dry place and monitor humidity between 40 and 60% to avoid swelling. If the bat feels dead or lacks pop after the process, check your pressing history. Underpressed bats need further, gradual pressing. Overpressed bats require professional assessment. For persistent cracks, use epoxy sparingly as a temporary fix and seek expert repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.